What's up people, Varun here. So today we have JBL Go Plus. It's a portable Bluetooth speaker by JBL. It connects via Bluetooth. So they've just recently launched this on Flipkart and I thought why not buy it and unbox it for you guys. So yeah, it connects via Bluetooth. It has 5 hours of playtime. It also has speakerphone. You can connect your phone and then you can answer calls. In the box it has speakers and the wire. And I think that's a pretty standard box. I got this in red color. So yeah, let's unbox this. The standard packaging. Okay, so as soon as you pull out the box which is inside, you are greeted with the speaker itself. It has big JBL logo imprinted on the speaker itself, wrapped up in plastic. Let me remove the plastic. Very nice finishing on top, very nice matte finish actually on top. So I'll show you the ports. So on the top it has power button. I think this is Bluetooth pairing. This is volume up, down, down, up, and this is I think play pause. On the side it has your normal headphone jack, your USB not C actually, it's your normal USB A port, and I think this is the microphone. Little disappointed, I thought it would be USB C, but yeah, that's what you get. That's about it. So this is the speaker. Let me put this here. And there's another small box here. I think it includes the wire. Just go ahead and pull it out. Yeah, so it has wire tucked in. Wire is also in red color. I think this is more of orange color, but whatever. And this is your normal paperwork. I'm not going to open this. So yeah, this is what you get: a speaker, wire, and the paperwork. That's it. Alright, now it's in pairing mode, and you can see it says JBL Go Plus here. Yeah, the connection took exactly 5 seconds. So basically you just need to press this power button and it just goes straight into the pairing mode, and then go into your phone's Bluetooth, just select JBL Go Plus and it will connect. That's it. So yeah, let me now listen to some music and then I'll come up with the verdict. Alright, final thoughts. This is one hell of a Bluetooth speaker. Getting that much output with such a small form factor is really impressive. To be honest, I have listened to much better portable speakers before, but this sits right at top with the market leaders. The fit and finish is top notch, exactly what we can expect from JBL. Regarding the sound, the mids are low and the bass is adequate. It can fill up the entire room with punchy sound. You will have no complaints whatsoever. I am really happy with the overall performance. At 1800 rupees, this is a steal. Get it before Flipkart raises its prices. Alright, that's it from me then. If you like this content, then please subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.